Welcome to Julia's Food for Thought. So what we're going to do this evening is we're going to put together a wonderful cheese. It's called Gruyere. And it can be used in many different ways in your favorite pasta dish, lasagna, gratins, even on crackers with a glass of wine. So there are many, many ways that you could use this. So very easy to put together and store it in your fridge for your favorite recipes. So what I'm using here is a Vitamix. This Vitamix is going to mix the product as I put it in, and it's going to heat it up. So if you haven't got a mixer that does the heating, not a problem. You can just, once it's mixed, put it into a pan and heat it on the stove. So no worries about that, and I'll explain that again at the end. So I'm going to start with just putting our water and our organic apple cider vinegar. We're going to just introduce the tahini. All measurements are in the recipe at the bottom of this page. This is our tahini. An entire French shallot goes in. Just chop it up a little bit if you wish. Onion powder and garlic powder, which I keep in the freezer for freshness. We don't want any moisture values into these powders, onion and garlic, because you can't use them once they go hard. Salt, rolled oats. So it's, as you can see, it's very easy, just everything into the blender. Nutritional yeast. Measurements are down below, as I say. You can add a little more nutritional yeast if you want a little cheesier flavor to it. And cornstarch. As you know, cornstarch is a thickening agent. Okay, so we have everything into the mixer. This is going to run for about 5 minutes. We want to get the top on well, so we're not getting things flying all over. So I'm going to speed this up a little, and at the end of it, we'll have a look at it to see our lovely cheese. So we'll start it here and speed it up. So as you can see, this has taken about 2 to 3 minutes, and it's heated. You can see the steam coming out, and it's ready to pour into your container in your fridge. I've got a container here that I'll show you. This is what I'm going to be pouring it into. There is some in here. It's quite firm, and that you can see is a perfect, well, stores 2 cups. I like to keep 2 cups of the cheese handy for recipes. It's lasts, a couple of weeks, 3 weeks in your fridge, and but you're using it all the time. You don't want to make too much, but 2 cups is a good portion to make, and that's what this recipe shows down below. So if you've enjoyed this production, please hit like and comment. Love your comments. This is how we grow. So until next time, so look forward to seeing you. Bye.